Introducing Ghost Bags, your sustainable solution for a cleaner future. Are you tired of contributing to the growing plastic waste crisis? Do you want to make a positive impact on the environment? Look no further than Ghost Bags, the revolutionary compostable bags that are changing the game. Environmentally friendly, Ghost Bags are made from plant-based materials, free from harmful toxins and chemicals. They are fully compostable, breaking down naturally in home composting systems or industrial compost facilities. By choosing Ghost Bags, you'll be reducing your carbon footprint and helping to keep our planet clean and green. Superior strength and durability. Don't let the eco-friendly nature fool you. Ghost Bags are designed to withstand your everyday needs. From food scraps and lawn debris to carrying heavy loads, our bags are tough and reliable. You can trust them to hold up, no matter the task at hand. Whether you're tossing food and waste, organizing your belongings, removing lawn debris, or simply carrying compost goodies, our bags have got you covered. With their easy-to-use design and sturdy handles, they make your daily routines a breeze. Versatile and convenient, Ghost Bags come in a variety of sizes, perfect for any occasion. Join the movement. By using Ghost Bags, you become part of a global movement towards sustainability. By spreading awareness and encouraging others to make the switch, you're inspiring positive change in your community. Take pride in knowing that every Ghost Bag used is a step closer to a greener future. Special promotion. To celebrate our commitment to the environment and encourage everyone to make the switch to Ghost Bags, we are offering an exclusive limited time promotion. Use the code BOO at checkout to help save on your first or next purchase. Don't miss this opportunity to embrace sustainability and save money. Make the right choice today and switch to Ghost Bags. Together, we can make a difference, one compostable bag at a time. Visit our website or your nearest retail store to get your Ghost Bags now. Just look at the waste. Imagine waking up to a beautiful morning, walking along the shore, feeling the sand between your toes, only to find trash scattered everywhere, ruining the picturesque view. This polluted beach is a call to action, a reminder that it's time to clean up our act. Pollution is a nightmare we are all living. As the waves crash gently, carrying with them the debris, we must ask ourselves, how did we allow this to happen? Will we turn a blind eye or take responsibility for our actions and fight back? It's up to us to take a stand, to protect the beauty of our planet for generations to come. Just as the ocean brings in the trash, it also unites people from all walks of life. Volunteers, armed with gloves and determination, join forces to conquer this environmental disaster, one piece of garbage at a time. The power of teamwork shines through as bags of trash are filled, restoring the once pristine beach. The unified effort, the passion for change, and the hope for a brighter future drive these individuals forward. But cleaning up the beach is just the beginning. This fight against pollution goes beyond the sandy shores. It's about changing our habits, our mindset, and embracing a sustainable lifestyle to prevent future destruction. Every small action counts. Recycle, reduce waste, and show love to our planet. Together, we can make a difference and keep our oceans and beaches free from pollution, ensuring the survival of marine life and the beauty of our world. So, let this polluted beach be a turning point. Awaken the change within you and become a part of the solution. Together, we can create a world where our beaches remain clean, our oceans stay blue, and our planet thrives. Visit www.ghostbags.org now for Ghost Bags heavy-duty compostable bags, and go with a bag that won't come back to haunt you.